Approximately 281,000 pounds of cargo can be carried by the C-5M Super Galaxy. The upgraded version of the original C-5. For comparison, this can include 2 M1 Abrams tanks, 6 regular-sized city buses, or 3 Chinook helicopters inside its cargo hold. In fact, the C-5M's cargo hold is 1 foot longer than the first flight made by the Wright brothers in 1903, which was 120 feet. In the U.S. Army, the M109A6 Paladin is the heaviest self-propelled howitzer, weighing 60,627 pounds. These armored vehicles were designed for the crew to easily fire its 155mm gun from within its spacious turret. Before 2 of these are loaded onto a C-5, the crew first prepares the ramp to avoid damage from its tracks. Then, the loadmaster briefs the driver, and the troops on the ground support the loading event by guiding the driver. At this point, the aircraft is in its knelt configuration, making loading easier. Although Paladins are large vehicles, the M1A2 Abrams is still the heaviest vehicle in the U.S. Army at approximately 140,000 pounds each. The C-5M can carry 2 of them. The JLTV, Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, is an armored vehicle designed to replace the Humvee in the U.S. Army. While lighter than the Abrams, they still have a substantial weight at 22,500 pounds. Once the 2 vehicles are loaded, they are secured with tie-down chains, since a shift in the center of gravity would be disastrous. AH-64 Apache attack helicopters are an important component of the U.S. Army and play a role in almost all conflicts. The C-5M can load up to 6 of these helicopters. Before loading the Apaches, they are prepared to take up less space by folding in their rotors. Once the rotors are folded away, the helicopters become much easier to load, especially with the help of one of the 2 cargo winches in the hold of the Super Galaxy. Once the loadmasters are happy, they report to the pilot. Many people do not know that even a C-130 Hercules can be loaded into the massive cargo hold of a C-5. In 2008, the Rhode Island Air Guard donated a C-130 to the New York Air Guard for training. After removing its wings, tail, and rear horizontal stabilizers, the C-130A fit inside the cargo hold of a